Hello, class 8. Today I am going to start a new chapter from your English Bliss. So, everyone, take out your English Bliss book and turn to page number 36. There you will get the chapter Courage Beyond the Pitch. So, here we are going to start the chapter Courage Beyond the Pitch, and it is about a famous cricketer, Mr. Gavaskar, Sunil Gavaskar. So now, what is about this courage beyond the pitch? You know, pitch is a very well-known name related to the play cricket. Okay, so it's about not only we are going to talk about Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, and Mr. Sunil Gavaskar is a man who is very much well known in the field of cricket. So it's not about the man who is a cricketer. Here we are going to discover this cricketer as a brave human being. So what is his step to for the courage, and what is about the story, now we are going to reveal. Sunil Gavaskar has earned the fame of being one of the greatest cricketers of the world. So you know, Sunil Gavaskar is a name, everyone knows his name. He is a very famous cricketer, especially not only in India but also in the world. He has been nicknamed as the Little Master. So he was called as Little Master. His nickname as Little Master. So now, why he is called as Little Master? First of all, he was master because he was a splendid cricketer, famous cricketer and marvelous cricketer. And why little? Because his height was not very good. That means he was you can say that he was a short man. Okay, so and that is why he was being called as Little Master. He has hit scores of centuries, one of the most prolific run makers of modern times. So he had records, he had lots of records in his life, and he was a very unique kind of cricketer. And most of all, he was a very good batsman. Okay, he was the best batsman. He was not only one of the best batsmen in the world. A very small man, he had a wonderful technique and great power of concentration, a fine slip fielder, and also a wonderful human being. So though he was a short man, and despite the fact that he was a short man, it has no effect on in his career, because he was a wonderful cricketer, and not only he was a good batsman, he was a very good fielder, and also most of the important, what is that? That is the human being. He was the very good human being. The great human quality which he showed on January 13, 1993 is perhaps greater than any of his sporting achievements. So maybe this day, that means on the January 13 in 1993, he had done something for for some people, for some distressed people, or something happened, and because of that he was he had gained his name as a very good human being. Now what happened on that day? In those days, the city of Mumbai was going through a phase of fear and terror. So it was I'm talking about this day, that January 13, 1993. This time, Mumbai had a terrific time. Okay, Mumbai means, you know that Mumbai is a city of India, It's a very famous city of India, and that time Mumbai had a terrific time. And riots had broken out in many areas, and there was violence everywhere. What happened on that day? On that time, riots had been broken out, and in many areas, brutality could be seen, violence could be seen. The incidents of loot and arson were in the news. Loot and arson means loot means you can say that taking away the things from the others, and blunder, you can say in one word, blunder. People were doing the blunder works, and also arson. What is the meaning of arson? Arson means that firebombing. Okay, so you can say firebombing also. So firebombing, and this people were doing loots and everything. So it was a terrible situation for Mumbai. It seemed as if the feeling of compassion, sympathy, and above all humanity had died down in the people. So above all, we can say that on those times, on those days, people just they had lost their feelings towards their soft feelings, their compassion, their sympathy. They have lost everything. Okay. Friends and neighbors had turned into foes. Those who were friends in the past days, they have turned into foes. Okay, that means foes means here, that means enemy. Going out on the roads of Mumbai meant risking one's life. That means people were going out in the roads of Mumbai, and they had the problem, they had the dilemma that whether they could go or not, because that time if any person would go on the roads of Mumbai, so he or she is obviously is risking her or his own life. Okay.